How to copy a signature from one document to another. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video we will learn how we can copy a signature from one document to another. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up the document where you have your signature on. Now if you want to copy the signature from this document to another document, then what you can do is open up Snipping Tool in your device. You can directly press your F10 key, that is PRTSC key. If not, click on the search icon and here open up the Snipping Tool. Here click on Add New. Once you have this kind of interface, now you have to take the screenshot of this signature right here from your document. So once you have your signature, what you can do is you can open up your another document where you want to move the signature to. For example, I have another document right here. Now to add the signature here, all you have to do is paste the signature from your Snipping Tool. So simply press Ctrl+V in your keyboard and there you go, you have the signature here. Now you can resize the signature. You can give it a space. If you want to make it a little bigger, you can do that as well. So in this way, you can copy signature from one document to another. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.